Vanakkam, Namaste, and welcome to Dr. Shahs Clinic. In this short video, we're going to answer the question, how to make healthy sperm. So if you're recently married, you're planning for a child, or recently trying for a child, and if you want to make your sperm really healthy, or you want to make really strong swimmers, what are the things or what are the tips that you can implement right now to make your sperm really healthy? So the first tip is to go for about 45 to 60 minutes of walking, because every day, right? So 45 to 60 minutes of walking every day for a period of 8 weeks, or target 10,000 steps a day. Use a pedometer app and do it, guys, because if you do that, what's going to happen is your testosterone is going to surge, and as your testosterone surges, what's basically going to happen is you're going to produce really, really healthy sperm, or sperms that are really strong. Now the second tip, the second pro tip to bear in mind is to ensure you definitely get about 6 to 8 hours of healthy restful sleep. If you get healthy restful sleep for about 6 to 8 hours, what's going to happen is your early morning surge of testosterone again is going to go up. Again, you're going to produce really healthy sperm. The third tip that you should bear in mind is, guys, take folic acid, right? If you take folic acid 10 mg per day, 3 times a day for a period of 75 days, which is basically one cycle of sperm production, what's going to happen is you're going to produce really strong swimmers or really, really healthy sperm. So folic acid 3 times a day for 75 days. This is what we prescribe to all our patients in our clinic. That's the third or fourth tip. And the next tip is obviously to avoid smoking, avoid alcohol, avoid marijuana, and avoid all kinds of recreational drug use as well as abuse. So stay away from all that waste. If you're trying for a child, you really don't want that, and you want to produce really healthy sperm, you've got to avoid exposing your spermatozoa to these toxicants. Now the next important tip is a tip you're going to really like. So if you're trying for a child, you've got to have frequent sexual intercourse, because when you have frequent ejaculation, what basically happens is the old spermatozoa that is in your male reproductive tract gets cleared out, paving the way for new sperms to be ejaculated frequently. So the newer sperms that are going to see, basically what happens is in the male reproductive tract, you have about 2,500 cells produced a minute, right? Those are sperms, guys. And you want the old spermatozoa to be cleared out from your system. So repeated sexual and frequent sexual intercourse, maybe once a day or an alternate day, repeated ejaculation actually helps produce, it actually produces, a healthy spermatozoa, because you have the aged spermatozoa being expelled from your tract, and you have the new sperms coming in and depositing in the vagina. So the chance of pregnancy is better, and you have more healthier sperms. In fact, there are a lot of studies which say that with shorter duration of abstinence, sexual abstinence, the overall quality of the semen sample when during a semen analysis test also improves. So that corroborates with these findings as well. So more frequent ejaculation, more healthy sperm, guys. So bear that in mind and try for a child. And the next point, of course, is to take an extract of what's called as Lyon bean, also Mucuna pruriens, right? So this particular seed, has a lot of, spermatogenic promoting properties. There are a lot of basic studies on both animal models and few studies in the human models. Try taking an extract of Lyon bean, also called as the Mucuna pruriens extract. We prescribe it to our patients in the clinic, where, of course, there is a sperm quality problem. So that's another tip that you can bear in mind. And that's about it, guys. Follow these 7-8 tips that I've given you, and you should be able to produce healthy sperm and really strong swimmers. And I wish you all the very best for all of you patients who are trying for all you guys who are actually trying for a child and trying to become a father. So follow all these tips. I'm sure you'll find this useful. Share, comment, and like and subscribe, please. And please share this video with all your friends, guys. And this is Dr. Shah. See you back with another video soon. And Vanakkam and